Do you feel like every year you set goals, but by February, they're already forgotten? Don't worry, you're not alone. The problem isn't you, it's the way most people set their goals. Today, I'll show you a step-by-step method to set goals that you'll actually achieve, and how to create a vision board that keeps you inspired every day. Let's get started. Why most goals fail and how to avoid it. Most people fail at their goals because they make them too vague or unrealistic. Saying something like, I want to be healthier, or I want to save money, isn't enough. Instead, you need to be specific. For example, replace I want to save money with I'll save $500 by the end of March by cutting unnecessary expenses and tracking my budget weekly. The more detailed your goal, the clearer your path to success becomes. The power of SMART goals. To set goals that work, use the SMART framework. Specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? Measurable. How will you know when you've succeeded? Achievable. Is this goal realistic for you? Relevant. Does it align with your priorities? Time-bound. When will you achieve it? For instance, I want to run a 5K race in the next 3 months by training 3 times a week. This goal is clear, actionable, and achievable. Break big goals into bite-sized steps. Feeling overwhelmed is the fastest way to lose motivation. That's why it's crucial to break big goals into smaller, actionable steps. Let's say your goal is to learn a new language. Here's how to break it down. Week 1. Learn 20 essential phrases. Week 2. Practice pronunciation for 15 minutes daily. Week 3. Watch a short video or show in that language. When you focus on smaller tasks, progress feels easier, and you stay motivated. The secret weapon. Your vision board. A vision board isn't just an arts and crafts project. It's a tool to keep your goals in focus. Why? Because seeing your goals visually every day helps train your brain to prioritize them. Here's how to make one. Grab a board, some magazines, scissors, and glue. Cut out pictures, quotes, or symbols that represent your goals. Want to travel? Add photos of your dream destinations. Starting a business? Find a picture that represents success to you. Arrange them on your board in a way that feels inspiring. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily. This simple habit reminds you of what you're working toward and keeps your motivation high. Make it a daily practice. Your vision board isn't magic. It works because it keeps you focused. Spend 5 minutes each day looking at your board and visualizing what achieving your goals feels like. Imagine yourself already there. This mindset shift can make a huge difference in your actions. Stay flexible, life happens. And sometimes you'll need to adjust your goals. That's okay. The key is to stay flexible. If you hit a roadblock, don't quit, just reassess. Ask yourself, is this goal still important to me? What's one thing I can do today to move closer to it? Adaptability is one of the most underrated skills when it comes to achieving your dreams. Celebrate small wins. Don't wait until you achieve your big goal to celebrate. Reward yourself for small milestones along the way. Finished your first week of workouts? Treat yourself to something you love. Completed your monthly savings goal? Share your success with a friend. Celebrating small wins reinforces positive behavior and keeps you excited about your progress. Goals don't have to be overwhelming or impossible. By setting SMART goals, breaking them into manageable steps, and using a vision board to stay inspired, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Now it's your turn. What's one goal you want to achieve this year? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to create a life you love.